Okay, so just going to start the videos here from the training, and first thing I want to do is open up. I've just got the survey drawing open here, and first thing I want to do is open up the UKIE template. So I'm clicking on the blue A in the top left here, new, and then select the UKIE template, click open. Okay, and then I'm just going to go back into my survey drawing, Control A, and select everything, and just give it a second there, and then do a Control C, and then I'm going to copy and paste everything from the survey drawing into the UKIE template, and I'm just going to pause this here. It'll take a wee second to do it. Okay, so I've copied everything, and then I'm going to go into my UKIE template, right click, clipboard, paste original coordinates, and again I'll just give it a, might just pause it there for a second while it does that. There's a lot in that survey. Okay, so that's pasted everything into the drawing. Just going to do a zoom extents, and there everything's showing up. Okay, so what I want to start doing then is start freezing off some of these layers. So for example, overhead power lines, they're not going to form part of the ground model, so I can freeze off that layer just using the AutoCAD layer freeze command. We've got some utilities up here, going to freeze off them. Again, they're not going to form part of the ground model. I'm going to freeze off the contours, and we let Civil 3D generate its own contours from the points and lines that we add. Okay, so that's probably good enough at that stage. And what I want to do then is just check some of these points and blocks and stuff that we have, and see that they have a sensible level. So if I select one of the points here, and I look in the AutoCAD property, so Control and 1 will open up this, I can see that it's a point and it has a Z value. Okay, if I click on some of the lines, I see that it comes up as a line. It doesn't have a Z value, but that's for this survey it's fine. Most of the lines have a survey point at the vertices anyway, so we can still add these lines into the surface, and it'll still be okay. Okay, so if I click on one of these trees, it's a block and it has a Z value, so we can use those if we want as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do is in the tool space here. Okay, so this button here opens up the tool space, prospector tab, right click on surfaces, create surface, just call it existing topo, leave the style of triangulation, click OK, and then I'm going to expand out the surface here, expand out definition, right click on drawing objects, add points is what we're looking for, click OK, and then I'm going to select everything, and that'll triangulate all of those points. Okay, you can do the same for the blocks, so I can right click, add, and add the blocks as well. Now in my case, some of the blocks I'm just going to add the points. It's really only the 3 blocks that we have, but some of them are down at 0, so I'm not going to add them in this case. Okay, but what I'm going to do here now is split the screen in 2. So go to the View tab, Viewport Configuration, 2 vertical, and just flip this into a 3D view on the right hand side. So I'll just click on this button here. I'll just zoom into it then so I can see my surface. I'm going to change this style here to shaded maybe, or conceptual. So go for shades of grey. Yeah. Okay, and then I'm just going to start adding some more objects into the surface. Okay, but I'll do that in the next video.